I have just finished editing this video and I am like super impressed and just, I don't know, I'm kind of just like taken back at just how much work has gone into this car and just how much stuff I've learned whilst I've owned it. Like, I'm gonna be completely honest, I didn't know anything about Japanese cars or anything about Skylines, S-chassis or anything. But yeah, I just want to say a massive thank you to basically everyone that has come from the Falcon to the Skyline, and then everyone that's joined since I've owned the Skyline. It's been such a long few months, and oh man, it took a lot longer than expected, but it's here today. I can't wait to show you guys this video, and I hope you all appreciate just how far this car has come, because I certainly do. It's such a sick car. Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. This is going to be a super awkward intro because I'm just like chilling on the side of the road out the front of a whole bunch of houses. But today we're going to be finally putting a car in the garage right beside Belle, my beautiful Breeze XR6 Turbo. So this morning we've driven all the way, you guys are just going to get the car. We've driven all the way to Childers, and if you guys remember in the last video, we came and checked out a awesome white R33 Skyline GTST manual. So today we are picking that car up. Today we've driven all the way to Childers to come pick up this car right here. Oh yeah, I thought you were gonna pose. Beautifully clean R33 GTST. Now this thing just looks so cool and it's something so different from what I've had. Now, if you guys haven't seen probably what has been one of the most popular videos on my YouTube channel currently, I picked up this R33 Skyline manual GTST for $3 grand. And for that $3 grand, I got low compression in cylinder 3, I got a whining gearbox, I got coolant leaks, I got oil leaks, I got no aircon, but I did get this.
Because this can happen.
The door is pretty good.
And you're lucky, very lucky
Yeah.
that the door is actually fine.
Wow, that's insane. Oh wow.
Yeah, that's classic RB25 behaviour for you.
cool. Let's see how much power it made. 276. It goes. Holy. That's so sick.
Grindy, eh?
Yeah, a bit weird, eh?
I'm actually really impressed with how hard it pulls in second.
It's so cool, eh?
Actually goes really well.
I would be lying if I said I wasn't crapping bricks right now. Look where I am. Yeah, that's Queensland Raceway. And this is the Skyline. And we're gonna try and drift it for the first time since I got it back last November. Oh man. So thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I really do appreciate it. It's been such a long year getting this car ready and finally taking it out drifting and just having so much fun with it, finally driving it around and just enjoying all the work that's been put into it by the guys at Lap Labs, from Tom that put in the transmission, the blokes down at Whitey's Wiring, and of course Ataka Garage for basically sponsoring a lot of this build. Max Beating Rods, Cube Speed, so many awesome brands have come on board with this entire build, and I cannot thank you all enough for all of your knowledge and expertise. So many different people who are just so much smarter than I am got their hands on this car, and I cannot thank them all enough for their generosity in getting this car ready. So yeah, thank you so much everyone. I hope you all appreciate this video. If you did like this video, please leave a subscribe and a like and a comment. That'd be sick. Anyway guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Want to say goodbye, Doug? Do you want to say goodbye? Look. What's this? What's that? Bye, Dougie. Bye.